So good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, morning, ma'am.
How are my children doing? How are you
Good
all?
morning, ma'am.
Fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good morning, ma'am.
I am also good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
before
ma'am.
we start the class, come on, sit straight. Just sit straight.
Yes,
Take a
ma'am.
deep breath. Sit straight. Take a deep breath, and just listen carefully. What is the problem with Devananda? You have got some net problem. Okay, my dear. It's okay. It's fine. Okay. Just take a deep breath and get ready for today's class. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask a few questions. Whoever knows the answer has to put the hand up, right? Okay, clear? You have to put the hand up. Don't talk in between so that none of us get disturbed. We should not get disturbed, right? Whoever knows the answer, put hand up. I will ask that particular person and you have to unmute yourself and give me the answer. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. And the first question goes to, where is Faiz gone? Faiz, I can't see you properly, Faiz. Josein, Jewel, Naifa, Devananda,
Ma'am,
Jelly.
can you see me now?
Yeah, I can see you, but not properly, Faiz. It's okay. I can see you now. Okay. Turn on your video. Devananda, Jewel, and Naifa. Sachin. Jewel, can you hear me, Jewel?
Ma'am, I can't see you.
You can't see me. What about now? Can you see me?
Ma'am, can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
put your camera?
Camera is not proper.
No, ma'am, we cannot see you. We can only see your mouth.
Okay. If I stand a little
No,
far,
ma'am,
is that okay?
we can see
Now
you.
we can
Ma'am,
see. Now we
now
can
it's
see.
okay. See you.
Okay. Come on, mute yourself. I'm going to start with by asking a few questions. And the first question goes to Anupama. Anupama, can you hear me, Anupama?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Tell me what is the name of the lesson we were learning about last week?
A walk to remember.
Okay, who is the author of this lesson?
Jerome K. Jerome.
Jerome K.
Jerome.
Good, Anupama. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, what about Faiz? Faiz, can you hear me, Faiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the names of the main characters. Who are the main characters of this story?
I'm Jerome.
Yes,
I'm Jerome.
Jerome.
And,
Jerome.
I'm Jerome Kalka Jerome.
Faiz, I'm asking something to Faiz. Let Faiz answer. Okay, Jerome. Then who are the other ones?
Can I now?
Can I tell
Harry George.
Can I?
George and Harris. Very good.
Harris.
So who are the three people? George, Harris, and
George.
Jerome Harry George.
Okay. Shahad, mute yourself. Shahad,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
mute yourself. Helen, Antilia, if you have network issues, sit somewhere where you have no problem. Okay, Helen,
Yes,
can you hear me, Helen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the story about, Helen?
Ma'am, it's a story of the going for a
It's a story about? Please repeat. It's a story about?
They're going for a trekking.
Yeah, these three friends together, they planned for a trucking. Good, Helen. Devananda? Devananda, can you hear me, Devananda? Devananda, can you hear me? Devananda, you are speaking. I can see you speaking, but I can't hear you, my dear.
Ma'am, he didn't note.
Okay. Amna, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Amna, tell me what is the name of the village where they want to go for trekking?
Todmos.
Todmos, right. So, what was the first problem they faced on their way?
Ma'am, can Ridul?
Ivan has got the answer. Let me give a chance to Ivan. Come on, Ivan. Ivan, what was the first problem they faced, my dear?
Ma'am, the signpost, ma'am.
Okay, what was the problem with the signpost?
Ma'am, it showed three ways. The straight way led to somewhere they didn't know. The right way did not have the hand, and the left way led back to the village, ma'am. They started.
Jelin, is it correct, Jelin? Good. Is it Jelin? Did you hear the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, is it the correct answer?
Yes.
Signpost left led to a place which they had never heard of, and right led to the same village where they had started their journey from,
And
and
one was.
the arm which was pointing
Good
straight
afternoon, ma'am.
was disappeared, which was broken. Right, this was the first problem they faced. So now, what was the idea of Harris? What was the idea of Harris? Harris wanted to make use of
Ma'am, the village should be.
anyone. Wait. Let me ask. What about Bilsa? Bilsa, can you hear me, Bilsa? Bilsa, can you hear me?
Ma'am, can Anupama?
No. Let me ask somebody else. What about Prayan? Prayan, can you hear me?
Ma'am, I can hear you. Ma'am, Bilsa can hear you.
Okay, Bilsa, come on, answer my
Ma'am, can
question.
you tell the question one
Ma'am,
more time?
ma'am, Harris remembered that what the old man at the hill told.
Okay, and he wanted to make use of, what was his idea? What he wanted to make use of? He wanted to make use of?
Ma'am,
He wanted to make use of?
the old man of the hill told that told him clearly straight to go on the hill.
Okay. Once they went straight, where did they reach? Where did they end up? They ended up in Jelin. Good, Bilsa. Jelin, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now they took the straight road. Where did they end up?
Ma'am, the hill.
Did they reach Todmuz now? Angelia, what do you think? Where did they reach, Jelin, then?
Ma'am, hills.
Is it hill, Jelin? Angelia, where did they reach, Angelia? Which nest did they land up in?
Ma'am, they reach where they go. Where they come from, they reach there.
They reached the wasp's nest, right? Going straight, where did they reach? They reached the
Wasp
nest. Now, in that case, Harris wanted to make use of science. Why?
Because that is exact.
Because science is very exact. That was the idea of Harris, but George had some other opinion. He had some other idea. What was George's idea?
Go back to the village and hire a boy.
To the village, ma'am.
Go back to the village and hire a boy.
Anupama, please mute your device. Anupama, please mute your device. Okay. So Narendran, carry on.
Ma'am, the George said that if we went back to the village and hired a boy to guide us, it would save time.
Yeah, George also of idea that if you would go back to the village and hire a boy, it would save time. Right? There we stopped. And now take the page number 4. Okay. Do you have the textbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have the textbook. Take a pencil. Take a pencil and just mute yourself and let me explain. After my explanation, I'll give you a chance. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Devananda, my son, where is your textbook, Devananda?
Ma'am,
Romel, where is Romel gone? Romel is not seen here. Jelin?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Naifa.
Should we write on pencil or pen?
You need not write anything. You just have a pencil. Suppose if you want to underline something, you can use a pencil. Don't use a pen in the textbook, right? Okay.
Okay,
So I'm going to start. Just listen. Listen carefully, right? If you listen carefully, 90% of your work is done, right? Listen. It would be wasting time, said Harris. So when George proposed the idea of going back to the village and hire a boy, what did Harris say? Harris told it is utter waste of time. You leave this to me. He took out his watch and began turning round and round. So Harris was so confident. Ridul, listen to me. So Harris was so confident of, leading them to Todmuz. What did he say? You just leave it to me. It's very simple. And what did he do? He took out his watch and he started turning round and round. It's as simple as A, B, C, he continued. Now, what did he say? Now, if I ask you to write ABC, is it not easy for you?
Ma'am, it is easy.
Yeah, very, very easy. So like that. Yeah, just like that, just like that. Harris told, it's very easy for me to find out the way in this forest. You just leave it to me. So he said, he took out his watch and he started turning round and round. And he pointed, you point the short hand at the sun. Then you divide the part between the short hand and the 12. And thus you get the north. So what happened now? What did Harris say? Harris told,
Ma'am, they will be get the north, please.
okay, Amna, mute yourself and just listen to me, okay? So what did he do? He just took out his watch and he told, we have to point the short hand at the sun. Antilia, listen. We have to point the short hand at the sun. Then we have to divide the part between the short hand and 12. Thus, you get the north. Is it so? Is it so? Do you agree with his
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree with his idea?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So just take out the watch and point out the watch, point out the short hand at the sun,
No, ma'am, I am
the
not
part
agree.
between the short hand and the 12, and you get the north. Is it so? Do we get north like this? Yes or no? What is it, Evangel? Evangel?
Students are chatting.
Please don't send any messages in between the lesson. Okay. So he said, this is a way to find out north. He looked up and down for a while. Now I have got it, he said. So what did Harris do? Harris looked up and down for some time. And after some time, he told, that's the north. I have got it. That's the north. Where the wasp's nest is, now give me the map. So he said, the place where we are studying. Just have a look into the picture. The picture on the page number 4. Where is the wasp nest? They are just standing in front of that nest. He says that is north. Now give me the map. So he decided that is north. And he told the other two people, just give me the map. We handed it to him and he looked at it carefully. Who are we here? Who are we here?
Ma'am, Jerome.
Fia, only Fia is going to answer. Let me ask to Fia. Fia, can you hear me, Fia? Fia, can you hear me? Fia, can you hear me, Fia? No. Amal Krishna, can you hear me? Amal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, my dear. Who are we here?
It's George, Harris, and Jerome.
Do you think Harris also is there? We. Now Harris is, deciding the way. Harris is calculating the way. So who are the other two people who are left out? George and? Good. Very good. George and Jerome. So George and Jerome, what did they do? They took out the map and they handed him to whom? They handed it to Harris very carefully. Todmose is towards the south from here, he said, finally. Okay, you just imagine they are standing there in front of the vast nest and they are deciding the direction. So what did he say looking at the map? He told Todmose is towards the south. What do you mean from here? Asked George. So what did George ask now? What is the meaning of this sentence from here? From here, where we are right at this moment, said Harris. From here means from the place where we are just now. From there, we have to walk towards north in order to reach Todmose. Right? Is there any doubt till here?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am.
Okay then. But where are we? Said George. George exactly wanted to know where they were. But was Harris able to answer his question? Let us find out. It doesn't matter where we are, Harris said. We shall be in Todmose before 10. Don't you worry. So what did Harris say? It doesn't matter at all. It is of no use to know where we are. Evangel, my dear, listen to me. So what did Harris say? It is of no use. It doesn't matter wherever we are. You don't worry. We will reach Todmose before 10. We walked for half an hour before coming to an opening. So what did they do now? They started their journey. They started following Harris and they walked for half an hour. After reaching half an hour, what happened? They came to an opening. What is the meaning of opening?
Ma'am,
Opening.
an
area.
open space in a wood or forest where there are no trees.
Okay, it is an opening. It is an open space in a wood or a forest where
There
there
is
is
no
no
wood or forest.
trees. Okay, where there are no trees.
An opening space.
Yeah, opening space. From here, we saw below us the village we had left that morning. It had a pretty church with an outside staircase. So what happened now? What happened? They started walking. For how much time did they walk now? They walked for half an hour. They came to an opening. Standing there, below, what did they see? What they could see? They could see a
A church.
they could see the village which
And
they
the
had
pretty
started their journey from. Okay, they started where they had started their journey. They could see that village. And what was the speciality of that village? It had a pretty church. It had a very beautiful
church.
church with an outside staircase. What was the speciality of this church? It had an,
Outside of the
it had an outside staircase. Outside staircase. It was an unusual feature that we all remembered. Unusual feature means a thing which they had not
Part of a building
A
which was very new.
was very new.
Okay, a
had
part
not
of the
seen
building
something like
which was
it
very new.
before.
They had not
They
seen
had
something
never
like
seen
it
something like
before. Okay, so they walked for half an hour. They reached the same place, and below, what they could see a village. What was the attractive feature of this village?
staircase.
Pretty church with outside
outside
staircase.
staircase.
No, Nairin,
Part of the building.
Nairin saw a staircase. They saw a church with outside staircase, and it was an unusual feature. Why? Because they had not seen something like that before, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the sight of it made me sad. Nairin, who is me here, Nairin? The sight, only Nairin is going to answer. Okay, Nairin, come and give me the answer. Who is me here? The sight of it made me sad. Who is me here?
Ma'am, can Anupama?
Anupama, wait for a second. Let Nairin answer.
Narendra.
What about Nevin? What about Nevin? Nevin, who is me here, Nevin?
Ma'am, the me is
Me is.
Harris.
No, Harris was the one who led them, right?
Ma'am, can
Ivan. Okay, Ivan is ready with the answer. Come on, Ivan. Who is me here?
Ma'am, Jerome.
Jerome. Nairin, did you find the answer now? Who is me here?
Jerome.
Jerome. Very good. Now at last, what happened now? Jerome says, I am sad, right? The sight of it made me sad. We had been walking for 3.5 hours and we're now almost back to where we had started. So what happened? How much time were they walking? They were walking for
3.5 hours.
from where they had started. But Harris was delighted. What is the meaning of delighted? Delighted means very, very happy. Delighted means very
happy.
Now at last, said Harris, we know where we are. So what happened now? Harris told, at last, I know where we are. Do you remember before some time when George asked him where we are, what was the answer given by Harris? Harris told?
It doesn't matter where we are.
Very good. Harris.
Don't you worry.
It doesn't matter where we are and we shall be in don't.
Okay. This, Anupama, just mute yourself. Anupama, see, some of them are simply talking in between. Please don't talk. Okay. Until I give permission, please don't talk so that we don't get disturbed. So before some time, Harris was telling it doesn't matter where we are. Now what is the opinion of Harris? Harris knows the place where they are. I thought you said it didn't matter, George. So George told before some time you told that it did not matter, right? So Actually, what do you think of these three friends? Are they wise enough or are they confused?
And they're confused.
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 They are confused.
They are totally,
Confused.
don't you think? They are totally confused.
Confused.
They are not at all wise in planning out their journey. They are totally confused. Then, so now Harris told, I know where we are. What did George say? Before some time you said it did not matter. It does not, replied Harris, but look in your textbook, okay? But it is just as well to be certain. So what did he say? But it is good to know or good to be sure of. What is the meaning of certain? Certain means? Certain means
Exact.
sure of. He said it is better to be sure of the place where we are. Now it looks like we are going west. You just imagine Harris was telling them we will have to go south. Now Harris is telling, is of the opinion that they are going west. So these people, they are totally confused and they are making the readers confused. Are you getting confused?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing to get
Kind of,
confused.
ma'am.
Nothing to get confused. Always you should remember this is a funny story. What is that humorous kind of story, right? So what happened now? What happened now? Harris told we are going west. Now what did George say? George told no, we are going east. Now they are fighting just like small children. Harris is of opinion that they are going west, and George is of the opinion that they are going east. So you fight with your brother or sister, right? East, west, east, west,
Yes,
east.
ma'am.
They started fighting. You just imagine where is east and where is west, where is north and where is south, right? But these people are fighting. Then you are confusing me, said Harris. Harris warned George, you are confusing me. I don't mind if I do, said George. I would rather do that than go wrong. I tell you, we are going east. When Harris told George, George, you are confusing me. What did George say? What did George say? Listen, listen. What did Jero say? Shahad, mute yourself. What did George say? It is better to confuse you. It is better to get confused than going wrong. I tell you, we are going east. So just think this point, Harris wants to go east. Means Harris is thinking they are going east. George is of the opinion that they are going west. But they are on the same road, okay? They are on the same path. They are fighting with each other. That they are going east, they are going west. It's east, it's west. Then I don't mind if I, okay, what nonsense, said Harris. There is the sun. Now again, Harris went back to science. Do you remember in the beginning also he was telling something about science. What did he say? Again, he went back to science and he's telling, look at the sun. I can see the sun. Said Harris, there is the sun. George told, yeah, I also can see sun is there. It may be where it should be according to you and science, or it may not. So what did he say? I know sun is there. You can see, I can see. It is there in the place where it is supposed to be. Right? Based on their fighting, can sun run this side and that side? No.
No, ma'am.
No, no. So he told, I can see the sun. Sun is there exactly in its place. All I know is that when we were down in the village, that hill was north of us. Now George told, oh, only one thing I am sure of. Evangel, what are you busy with, Evangel? One thing he is sure of. What is that? He is sure of. What is that? The hill was north of us when we were down in the village. When we were down in the village, the hill was north. Which hill? Which hill are they talking about? Which hill are they talking about? No, nowhere they have reached Totmos. Nowhere they have reached Totmos. Totmos is still far. They are, you remember
Back come to
their
the
road was over a mountain. Do you remember that sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
So he is talking about that hill. He is talking about the hill where they are at present. So George is of the opinion when they were down in the village, the hill was north.
North.
Okay. You are quite right, said Harris. I forgot for the moment that we had turned around. You know, for last 3.5 hours, what are they doing? Hill is round, right? Mountain, have you seen the mountains? Mountain, have you seen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Seen?
We have
So
seen.
they are going on roaming, walking on the same hill for 3.5 years. They take left and go. They took the right road. They ended up in a wasp nest. From there, they took right and walking and walking, walking and walking. But they are reaching the same village where they had started their journey from. Now, what did Harry say? Harry told, yes, you are right. The village is north. So we have to turn around. Now, first they took left, they walked, turned the whole hill, and they reached their same place. Now, you just imagine if they take the right road and they go and take a big round and come, where will they reach again? Where will they reach again?
Started place.
Yeah,
place
yeah, they reach the starting point itself.
below us.
They reach the starting point itself. So what should you remember? What should you remember? It is a total, a kind of confused story where they are totally confused and they are walking on the same hill for 3.5 hours. And again and again, they are reaching the same place. They take this way and they reach the same place. They go this way, they reach the same place. However they go, they are reaching the same place where they had started their journey from. So we turned around and walked in the other direction. You just imagine they turned around, Okay, they turned around, they walked for 40 minutes. Again, they reached the same village where they had started their journey. And from there, what they could see again the village, and it had a pretty church, all those things. Right, here we stop. Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am. No doubts.
Did you, are you following the story?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
We are
very nice.
following.
Comedy.
We are following.
Is it a nice story?
Yes, ma'am. It's very
Yes, ma'am. Very confusing story, ma'am.
Confusing story, funny story. You just imagine you and two of your best friends want to go to Todmos and you are, on the hill. You just imagine
So
when
we
you are
cannot
standing.
walk to topmost. My leg will go.
Imagination, only imagination. I'm asking you to imagine. Please don't start your journey. Okay, I'm not asking you to go anywhere. I'm telling you to sit your own place and imagine the village of Todmos and walking. Yeah.
Ma'am, I had gone like that.
Where, Bilsa? Where did you go?
Ma'am, I went to Wagaman.
You went to Wagaman trucking. Very good. Okay. So till here, if you have no doubts, we stop here and I am going to mark your attendance, right? Is it 6th B?
Yes, ma'am. 6B.
Okay, now whosoever names I am calling out, they will tell yes and just keep quiet. Rest all, none of you will talk. Adi Lakshmi? Adi Lakshmi? Amal Krishna? Amal?
Yes, ma'am.
Rest all, please mute. Amal Krishna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Amna?
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Anna Rose Matthew?
Yes, ma'am.
Antilia?
Yes, ma'am.
Anupama?
Present, ma'am.
Aromal?
Present, ma'am.
Aromal. Bhadra, Ashwin Girish? Ashwin, are you there? Bhadra Sunil?
Yes, ma'am.
Bilsa is there.
Yes,
Chris Raisen? Chris?
Absent, ma'am.
Okay, Devananda was there, right? Devananda can, okay. Divyansh, can you hear me,
Absent, ma'am.
Divyansh?
No, Ananda is there.
Rest all, none of you will talk. Okay, that particular person whose name is called out, that person will talk, okay? Oh, so